Hey buddies, welcome to my channel Study Buddy. In this channel, I'll be uploading all the solutions from CBSE class 10 mathematics. So today we are going to solve the fourth problem of exercise 2.3 from the polynomials chapter. So let's get started with the fourth problem. On dividing x cubed minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and the remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. So they have given us two sets of polynomials for which on dividing the polynomial by g of x, the quotient and remainder are given, that is x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4. They are asking us to find what g of x is. So let's go ahead with the solution. We have p of x equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 and g of x is not known. But we know what is q of x, that is quotient equal to x minus 2 and the remainder, that is minus 2x plus 4. Using division algorithm, we get p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 2 equal to g of x into x minus 2 plus of minus 2x plus 4. By this, you get 2x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 plus 2x minus 4 is equal to g of x into x minus 2. So g of x is equal to x minus 2, which is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 2. So g of x can be written as x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. By dividing the p of x by the remainder, that is the quotient. So by using the division, normal division of the polynomials, the first term of the quotient can be written as x cube by x, that is x square. So the first term is x square. The second term of the quotient can be written as minus x square by x, that is equal to minus x. So minus x is the second term of the quotient. The third term of the quotient, that is x by x, is equal to 1 and hence that is the third term of the equation. Hence you get the g of x, that is g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. So we have finished solving the fourth problem of this exercise. In my next video, you'll find the remaining solutions. So do refer my channel for further videos. Thank you.